What's the meaning of contemporary? Contemporary. Contemporary.
Contemporary. Contemporary. Contemporary refers to something that is happening or existing in the same time period as the speaker or the current state of affairs. The term can refer to culture, art, literature, design, fashion, and other fields. It is often used to describe works of art that are produced in the present time. Contemporary art is characterized by its diversity, experimental nature, and lack of a single predominant style. In general, the term connotes a sense of relevance, connectedness, and immediacy to the present moment.